So, hey guys, today we are going to learn that how we can download node.js on our laptop. So, let's get started. First, you can search this URL node.js and you can open this link, or as you can watch it over here. So, I would open it. So, you could press download. So as you can watch it, here's the latest version, but I need it for long-term support, so it's the best version. And as you can watch, here's the Windows installer. If you are running in another system like Mac OS and ARM64, you can choose it as you are using. So for Linux and AX, so here are all, like as you can watch here, all this. So I'm using Windows, so I would select it. So I need Windows installer, so let me choose it. So as you can watch, the download has been started, so it's just going to be started and it's downloaded. So as now I will double click on it and it's now running. Oops. Yes, let me close all and just keep open the one. And here's the last one. Okay, so I need it. So you could accept the license agreement, and if you want to read it, you could also read it. So next, after that, this one is the folder in which you can, so I want this one. After that, you could add to path, as you can watch. I've pressed plus. After that, as you can watch, you can node.js npm, and I'm installing all these things are going to be installing it. Okay, so this total thing requires, like, it just requires some of your memory, so it doesn't, so I need to install the necessary tools. So it would install Chocolate and I need it. So as you can watch, it's going to install it. So you can allow it to install it and it's just going to be installed. So copying new files. Okay, so it's installed, so let me press finish. Now as you can watch, now this one installation is started and it's continuing. So it's going to install additional tools for node.js. So it would ask you to run Windows PowerShell administrator and ask your administrator to verify. So it asks for control to install it, so you can press yes. You could also install Python in your computer. So you can allow it to continue when it's completed. So you can use your node.js and it would be add to path automatically. So bye, this is all for today.